welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 9th. Act 2, scene 1 is going on. Here the speech of Morocco, line number 65. You know that Morocco is very eager to open the casket, to choose the casket. Now he opens the golden casket. After a long thinking, though he thought it over for a long time, still he chooses the wrong casket. What happens? You see, he opens the golden casket. He opens the golden casket, not lead casket or silver casket. Morocco says, "Oh hell, what have we here? A curry and death, within whose empty eye there is a written scroll. Oh hell, what do we see here? A dead skull, within whose hollow eye socket there is a roll of paper on which something is written." He reads. On the scroll of the paper it was written, "All that glitters is not gold. Many a man has life hath sold, but my outside to behold. All that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is not gold." Often you have heard that said, that saying, "Many a man has given his life to see the exterior of mine, but gold-plated tombs," he says, "but my outside behold, glided tombs do worms enfold. Had you been as wise as bold, young in lips, in judgment old, your answer had not been inscrolled. Fare you well, your suit is cold." It was written, but many a man has given his life to see the exterior of mine, but gold-plated tombs have worms inside. Gold-plated tombs have worms inside. If you had been as wise as you are courageous, having an experienced judgment in your youthful body, then this would not have been the answer that appeared on the scroll for you. The answer would be the other. Farewell, your hopes are dead. Indeed, it is a disappointment and your labor is lost. Your labor is lost. Bid goodbye to your love and welcome disappointment. To take a tedious leave, thus loser part. Portia speech, a gentle riddance, draw the curtains, go, and let all his complexion choose me so. Portia says, a good riddance. Draw the curtains and let us go. May every suitor like him make a similar choice. May every suitor like him, like Morocco, make a similar choice. She wishes. And here Portia farewell, and he says, "I am too sad at heart to bid a more formal farewell. A loser should depart like this." Portia, farewell. Here, Portia, then farewell, height. and welcome from. Portia, adieu, I have too grieved a heart to take a tedious leave, thus loser part. Portia, farewell, I am too sad at heart to bid a more formal farewell. A loser should depart like thus. Leaves with his followers, Morocco. Prince of Morocco leaves with his followers. Trumpet sound. After that Portia's speech, a gentle audience draw the curtains go. Let all his complexion choose me so. A good riddance. Draw the curtains and let us go. May every suitor like him make a similar choice. They depart. They means Morocco and his followers. Now Act 2, Scene 8. Act 2, Scene 8 is taking place in Venice. A street. Enter Salarino and Salenio. Both are the friends of Antonio, you know. Salarino says, why, man, I saw Bassanio under sail. With him is Gratiano gone along, and in their ship I am sure Lorenzo is not. Salarino says to Salarino, dear friend, I saw Bassanio sailing. Gratiano too went with him. I am sure that Lorenzo was not on the ship. Salarino says, the villain Jew with outcries raised the Duke, who went with him to search Bassanio's ship. Salarino says, that villain, the Jew, disturbed the Duke with his complaints, and the Duke went with him to search Bassanio's ship. Salarino says, he came too late. The ship was under sail, but there the Duke was given to understand that in a gondola were seen together Lorenzo and his amorous Jessica beside. Antonio certified the Duke they were not with Bassanio in his ship. Salarino says he came too late. Jew, Shylock, came too late, for the ship had already set sail. The Duke was told that Lorenzo and his beloved Jessica had been seen sitting together in gondola. Lorenzo was not in the gondola, is a small boat. In the boat, Bassanio, Gratiano and Jessica, three were there. Jessica had been sitting together in gondola. But it was said, the Duke was told that Lorenzo and his beloved Jessica had been seen sitting together in a gondola. Antonio also assured the Duke that they were not with Bassanio on his ship. Antonio assured the Duke that they were not with Bassanio on his ship. They were means Lorenzo and Jessica. And what happens after that you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.